So what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to do shoulder rides and piggyback carry until we get to the falls. So we are here now at Calamba, Dapacan Alto, Misamis Occidental. So I'm here with Robert and Janjan. Alright, so before we do anything guys, please click the like button, comment down below, and share this video to your friends. So we are going to do switching. We are going switching with each other. If one of us will be tired, we will replace. Okay, until we reach to the falls. So, without further ado, let's go! Go, Robert! Okay, let's see guys if we will reach that falls, if it is accessible. So, let's go guys! Lisod man drag yan, hoy! Come on, let's go! Oh! Come on, let's go! Plaster sa plaster! Straight ang likod ha! Bantay, Okay. Robert! Let's go guys! Let's see. Robert is strong. Agil, ay lagi agyan ng kwan. Ay agyan ng lisod kayo. Ay saktong dalan dari. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see. Robert will continue. All right, let's go. Robert is strong. Go. Time check, it's 3:36 in the afternoon. So I hope there's no snakes here or any. Ilayo gamay dyan, kanang makita si bibig apil ba? Alright, let's go. So you can see Robert is struggling. Okay, baba na po, baba. Okay, Janjan will continue to lift Robert. Lea, gamay ba ka na makita si Janjan apil. Yeah, straight by straight yung kamot. Come on, let's go, Robert. Janjan is carrying Robert now. So I'm in the back of them. Taking a video. Oh. Alright guys, as you can see, it's a very long way to go. We're going to cross the river. Alright, so let's see the falls later. It's a very hard challenge guys, but you know, we can do it with the team of the CCC Center Club Coaching. Come on! Do you think we can reach the destination? So we have to cross a river, some rock road, alright, to reach that wonderful. Oh, kaya man kanin mo? Kaya ra? Come on, Janjan is preparing. Or ibabara ni mo, or sungay. Aning lamaw o, aning tinaw ba? Ge. Mawilig ayo, biha? Come on. Let's see if Janjan can cross the river. So later guys, I will change. I-apil si Janjan, apil. Come on. Let's see if Janjan can do it, guys. Let's go. Come on. We're crossing the river. It's a very cold river here. Let's see how deep is the river. Okay. So you can see we're going to step also in this river. And we're gonna cross this wonderful enchanted river. Tabi ako. Tabi po. Come on. Let's go. So Robert and Janjan is still fighting for that. Okay, as you can see in the back of Robert there, there's a wonderful falls, wonderful river. And now we're entering the forest area. So let's hope there's no snake in here. Come on. Come on, let's go. So you can see guys, I'm a little bit far from them, but let's see if I can manage. Yeah. Let's hope there's no snake. There's a big snake there, guys. Let's go. Ha? Nawala ang gyanan? Mauni? Muna yung gyanan? Okay, Janjan will pause a little bit. Okay, so Robert will ride against to Janjan. We're going to the unfamiliar road because it is all covered with this. What is this? Okay, let's go. Come on, let's see. Janjan is very strong. Right guys, let's go. Let's explore. Let's explore that river. Ipakita ka pa si Janjan lagi, big. I-down bagamay ba na? Ipakita yung naong, ipakita yung naong. Show his face. Agad.
Agbot ulit eh. Oy, dire dyan, liko ari. Pag agi dira. Dira kay. Okay. Ayo.
Ha?
Liko dire kay nara dire.
Maybe there's a snake here.
Mira isa. Nakadara ba yo? Dira ano no?
Let's hope there's no snake here. There is, we will be eaten by snakes. See, that legs of Janjan, very strong. Carrying his brother, Roberto. That is waiting.
Iya kay
Maybe.
Amo ba agyanan dire oh? Ha?
How much is this weight?
Lo
50?
wala ko kabalo na atong una 48.
Hindi lagi dari mo, yati.
Dali. Yaga. Okay.
Come on. Let's see. Janjan can do that. Oh, Janjan is very working horse.
Very mountain. Hawid, hawid.
Ha?
Nabunda ka?
Wala, nalubong ako yun. Sleepers guys.
Ala, dara, nana. Wala. Agay, guys, sakita ko eh.
Kawan.
Yo.
See that leg?
Uy, huwiri ko. Ay, Still sakita kayo eh.
Yambak man, yaga.
Ano, ambak sakit kaya ako
Yambak.
So guys, let's continue. Let's go. Come on, Janjan. This is a very long road here. So Janjan will be carrying now Robert. Go, come on. Let's go. Okay. The road here is not easy, guys. Oh, see that? It's a real power. Huh? Come on. Let's go. Maybe Carabaos are here to see. There's that falls there, guys. But we are going there now. Let's uncover it again. They're gone in my sight now. No, this is a very risky situation. All right. It's a real forest. I hope there is no snake here. Bandayan, makatunog ang snake. Oh, may another sleepers. Oh. Huh? Down. So Robert's sleepers is down now. Janjan will pick it. Kaya mo ba kasaka ka dira? Ha? Okay. So let's go, guys. I'm going to continue what Robert started. Or what Janjan started. Let's go if I can do it. Come on. Kana masigo min duha biha. Oh. Uy, gawidan. Oh. Oh. It's so hard. Oh. So danlog here, guys. We need to hold in this dahon to not fall.
Hawid. This. Naganan.
Let's skip this. I cannot. Sige. Let's skip here, guys, because I cannot carry here. Okay, let's resume.
Lantas sa tayo ni Edwin. Mapakan ka mga kami. Okay. Pero.
So let's resume, guys. Oh. My back. Pakita ko apil. Whew. My back is a little bit hurt. But we are. Oh shit. Ah. So we are here, guys. All right. We are here now. Yeah. See that, guys? We're here in the falls. So see our back, guys, our back. Pagkita ng likod. Yay! See? So, we're going to fly our drone here. So let's see if what it is look like. Let's go. Down na, down.
No, ikaw sa.
So. Ow! Woo! See, guys, it's a very wonderful place. As you can see, that is our falls right here. We can do some ligo-ligo there. All right. So this is the Calamba Falls, guys. We are going to go there, but we cannot go because it's very far and the road is not clear. So we're going home, guys. So we're going to take another route to go in our home to our starting point. We are not going back in this area. So we're going to another route because we are done here. Alright, so Robert will carry Janjan again now because I'm a little bit tired due to Janjan is very strong and it's a very great challenge, you guys, because you know we are as well as we're making it as an exercise, we are going to sweat. Is a good exercise for our body. All right, so let's see what is this area of situation here. Come on, let's see Robert's feet. Robert's legs are strong. Come on. Oh, there's a lot of Hagonoyan here. The Hagonoy leaves is used to be a toilet paper here in our Philippines. To pahid the tae in the lubot. It's a very sulasok area. Sulasok. Alright, Robert will. So let's go, guys. I'm going to shoulder ride with Janjan. Ha? Sige. Ato na tapos sa dalan. Dalan na. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, let's go. Ready na, be? Oh. Alright, guys. It's a great experience here. Dati dira mga agihoy ma.
Wala yung na dito, Pikas.
Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Ay, yawa ka mo kung gituyo diri. Got a lot of what is this? I got a lot of this in here. So, kung may slide na dira, yawa. Tubig iso. So, it's a very risky area here. Come on. Oh, Janjan. We will skip here because It's a very risky area. So let's continue, guys, in our journey to our starting point. So that is a very risky area there. Ay, magpalayo, gayo ba? Layo, ano bugay na, oy. Kanarang igor ka masigo sa frame ba? Si Janjan ug ako. Alright. See? Janjan is a little bit struggling here. This is a very steep hill. See that? It's a very steep hill. So this is a good chance of doing a very balancing. So gets balancing. So Robert there in our back is going to take a video of Janjan's feet in our back. So this is a very remote area. See that, guys? Oh, come on, Janjan will get replaced. Let's go. Go back. Come on. All right, let's go. This is a piggyback ride down the hill. See, ano dyan? Ano? Come on. I'm going to hold the shins. Dili sa tuhod pang usog.
Oh. Na.
It's a very hill road. Te, tabag te, help. My.
Oh. Okay.
So,
Yes, what?
sa tuhod gani. Oh.
Oh, na.
So, you can see, guys, it's a very hilltop. Tabang day. Ano ito, big? Oh. Come on. Let's go.
May binapod.
Wala pa.
Diba?
Tabok tado.
Bok.
So, shout out to there. Shout out. Piang ni.
Biya nga to, biya nga. Injury.
Injury. Haman, dapat ang babaw.
Ha?
Langway rami.
Sakay, Min, sakay. Sakay ta?
Okay, sakay be.
Ano? Sakay tayo tuhod.
Ah. So, we're going to ride this, guys. The balsa. Doing piggyback. Let's go, cameraman. Go. Say it in. Give up. Once already go. Oh, hindi ko in. See that, guys? It's more fun here in Calamba. We're riding the bamboo raft here while doing some piggyback with Janjan. Let's go. Oh, it's a very wonderful place here. You can experience this.
Ay, bata daw.
See? How much is the fee? Pindi. Pila may karon? Tag 5 ra may? Tag 10? 10 ang isa. If motor, 20. Oh, see that, guys?
Ito, ano mo na? Ito?
Oh, makakwarta na ka diri be. Pwede mag-jote diri. Let's go. How many minutes is this? All right. We're going to switch places. How many minutes is this? It's a good exercise, guys, for your biceps, your legs, your back, overall for the shoulder. See? It's Robert here. And our back. Balik ko dyan, balik. Tabang baby. Yeah! It's a very great area here, guys. See that? See that wonderful place? It's a enchanted river. Puntay, grabe, mahagbong yung ron. See? There's a motorcycle here and is ayun sa dito ro sakay. Ano ba? Go. Kare challenge. Challenge na. Apit na oh. 2 minutes ba? Challenge mo na. Siya sakay sa motor, o sakay yung tao.
Ay, bagod.
Come on, let's go. Yeah. See guys. Let's cross this. Okay. O ito ba? Taas mo. Taas mo. O ba nakabot sa motor? Come on, let's go. Tama sa motor. Yeah. Tama sa motor. Sa motor. Okay. So we have reached our destination, guys. So we're going to give the fee, guys. Okay.
Salamat.
Thank you. So we have reached our destination, guys. Thank you so much for watching our live. And see you for our next vlog. See our location here. Bye.
Say.
Oh.
Dagan pa mo sa inyo, Agem. Sabi kayo paliwat sa palay.
Sige. Dagdag yung mga langga mo.
Pero ang bulawan na nilong na siya.
Naman.
Bulawan. Ito yung kundi ha. Bakit na lang, hindi sila panaon.